Hey, this is JD and FIA. I'm going to show you just a progression you can do in the key of B. Just kind of, I guess, opening up chords, just playing around. All right, very easy chords, not a lot of movement going on. All right, so I'll show you the basics, and then I'll show you several different kind of endings that you can do to spice it up if you want to. All right, so first, what we're doing, we're going to look at it. Just give you the chords here. We have a B major 7 chord. Left hand I'm playing B, F sharp. Right hand I'm playing A sharp. I'm just gonna call this B flat or A sharp. I don't know. E flat here. I want to keep this as simple as possible. And I'm coming off the C sharp to hit the the D sharp or the E flat there. So I'll have those 4 notes: B, F sharp, B flat, or A sharp, and D sharp or E flat there. 1 5 major 7 major 3rd. How about that? Coming off the C sharp here. All right, to get that sound. All right, nice and open. Next chord, I'm going to a D flat major chord or a C sharp major chord here. Normally you would play a minor chord as a 2 chord in the key of B. All right, but we're gonna play that major chord right there. All right, so left hand I'm playing C sharp in my left hand. Right hand I'm playing just a D flat or C sharp major chord. G sharp, C sharp, F. All right. Next chord, I'm playing an E flat minor 7 chord. D sharp minor 7 chord. I'm going to spell it as an E flat minor 7 chord just so it's easy to see. E flat, B flat in my left hand. Left hand, I got E flat by itself. Right hand, I'm playing B flat, D flat, which is the flat 7 of E flat, and G flat, which is the minor 3rd, F sharp there. So we have B major 7, C sharp major, all right. Then I'm playing that E flat minor 7 chord or D sharp minor 7 chord. All right. Next chord, I'm going to go to the A sharp here or the B flat. All right, which is my 7th scale degree in B. 1 7. All right, I'm going to play the B flat or A sharp. Right hand, I'm just going to play the G sharp and the C sharp. All right, nice open. So it's a A sharp minor 7 chord or B flat minor 7 chord, however you want to look at it. All right, then we're gonna come to a 1. So far I said 1 2 3 7. All right, back to my 1, same chord. B F sharp, A sharp, D sharp. Then you're gonna go to a 6, G sharp minor 7 chord or A flat minor 7 chord. Left hand I'm playing G sharp, D sharp, or A flat and E flat. Right hand I'm playing G flat or F sharp, B natural, and E flat or D sharp. All right, that's our 6th chord. 1 2 3 7. 1 3. All right, you're gonna take strum to your 4, which is E major chord, and I'm adding the 9 or the sus2. Left hand I have E and B. Right hand I'm playing E, F sharp, G sharp, and B. All right, so you have on that G sharp minor 7 chord. Don't play the E flat up top. I told you E flat. Just play G flat and B natural. So you want to keep it as open as possible. All right, and then come down and hit that chord. All right. And then you're ready to end it. So you have several options when you want to end it. It's got to go somewhere. All right? You can go to a 1 chord. You can play a major 7 chord. 1 chord, here's one way you can do it. B and F sharp or G flat. And then right hand, you're going to play an F sharp major chord, second inversion. C sharp, F sharp, A sharp. Or D flat, G flat, B flat. And that's going to give you a B major 7 chord. And I like to hit that top note first and then hit the rest of the chord. Like that. Another way. Walk down from the up top, C sharp, B, and then come off the G sharp to the A sharp. Slow, and then come down. I'm playing B, F sharp, and B. And then I'm coming over the top and I'm playing G sharp or A flat, C sharp or D flat, F sharp or G flat. So I'm kind of crossing underneath there. So you have all right. So just a few ways. You come there. A flat, A to the B flat. Just decorate it any kind of way you want to. Decorate it how you want to. So, just playing around. Anyway, hope that helped. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.